Hello guys, today we are going to read Sunday Bells. Heidi was standing under the waves trees waiting her. It was Sunday almost when we said, "Have you come again?" Then he took Heidi's hands and Granny took Heidi's hands with the Sunday. As she went jumping about, the Heidi suddenly caught sign of grandmother book and happy life struck grandmother. Grandmother, I can also read now. Would you like to me to read you one for your similar old book? Oh yes, said the granny, surprised delighted. The morning breaks his early light still. What the drawn but this is the what this was Heidi reading with Stanford with his full feet, sure unshaken his will from he will never be failed. Heidi brought me from the comforts and garden in the paradise, the hall in the Sunday, and explained to me. The grandfather walked on the breast cloth with swine upon. With the next father saw him with comparison with Miri. The beautiful grandtable, said Heidi as the reader continued. Heidi lay fast asleep, folded with the grandfather. It's like a great festival. Among the number, it was the great festival for the. Meanwhile, the Alm uncle got into the church. He standing getting from Alm uncle, knowing from thinking to returning, from reflecting to holding and standing to something. My heart is there. And so uncle as but brought grandma with autumn with lost for grandma steps everything into soon in right orders inside him. So guys, if you like this, please don't forget to subscribe and comment me. So I'll soon remove the made for kids and you can comment me easily, or it's not necessary to comment easy means if you want to comment in YouTube, so you can even comment me in Facebook, Instagram. I'll give my ID. Facebook, Harshil, mail to Sakshi Rao, gmail.com. So thank you guys for watching this video.